Are you or someone you love over 70 and love to travel? Airlines are hiding some amazing benefits just for seniors. From quiet upgrades to secret discounts, these perks are real. But you have to know how to ask. I'm Imam, and today on Travels with Imam, we're revealing 11 travel hacks that every senior flyer should know. Let's take off. Many believe senior discounts on airfares are a relic of the past. They still exist, but are hidden treasures. The key to unlocking these discounts is wonderfully old school. You need to pick up the phone. Call the airline directly and inquire about senior fares or discounts for travelers over a certain age. If you're 70 or older, you can often board the aircraft early without extra fees. Let the airline staff know at check-in or the gate that you are over 70 and would appreciate early boarding. This small step can make a big difference to your comfort and peace of mind. Modern airports can be vast, making walking long distances taxing for seniors. Requesting wheelchair and escort assistance can make navigating the airport much easier. You can usually request this service when booking your flight or by calling the airline directly. It's entirely complimentary and can transform your airport experience. Traveling with a friend can be more enjoyable and financially beneficial. Some airlines offer companion tickets or special deals for senior travelers flying together. Ask specifically when booking your flights if there are any companion fares or discounts available. A comfortable seat can make all the difference, especially on long flights. Seniors can sometimes be upgraded to more comfortable seating without an additional charge by asking politely. Your best chance is at the check-in counter or the gate before boarding begins. Travel insurance is crucial for senior travelers, but finding affordable coverage can be challenging. Check with senior-focused organizations like AARP for discounted rates or policies with enhanced benefits. Shopping smart can save you money and get you better coverage. Airport lounges offer a calm oasis amidst busy terminals. Some lounges offer access to seniors through memberships in organizations like AARP. Check your senior membership benefits for discounted or complimentary lounge passes. Flight delays or changes can be stressful, but airlines tend to be more flexible with senior travelers. Communicate clearly and calmly with the airline, emphasizing your age and any relevant health factors. A brief doctor's note can often expedite a more accommodating response from the airline. International airport terminals can be enormous, making long walks exhausting for seniors. Complimentary airport buggy rides are available to transport passengers who need assistance. Request one from an airport information desk or airline staff to save energy and reduce stress. After a long flight, standing in long immigration queues can be challenging for seniors. Some countries offer dedicated priority immigration lanes for seniors and passengers with disabilities. Look for signs or ask an airport official if such a lane is available to save time and discomfort. Packing for a long trip can mean struggling with baggage allowances. Some airlines may offer a more generous baggage allowance for senior travelers on certain routes. Confirm before you fly by calling the airline and inquiring about special baggage considerations for seniors. Airlines may not shout these perks from the rooftops, but they're there for those who ask. Be informed, be confident, and fly smarter. This is Imam, signing off from Travels with Imam. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Safe journeys.